Hello everyone. Today we just have a writing code about blockchain in EP3, and now we open the last project that we did in a few days ago. I click to File and they open open project and browse to my course in YT code and blockchain project. The last project that we have here is blockchain. So I open easy blockchain. And this the last UI that we created in the last EP. That EP is 2. And today we will create a new EP for EP3. It's about send and receive data over the blockchain network. So I design my form for more control, like send and receive. And I where to do it? I will make so I will add control panel T panel, not control panel, T panel to my form to form. So I click form and place control panel T panel. Not my panel is replaced on panel 2. So I move to it to form. Move it to form. Yes, it's form now. It's the form, and I will align it to the top. So I click it at quick edit and click align, and select the top and check mark. Now it's align followed by the panel 2 is a panel 6, but panel name is not important for me, so I will delete the text or the caption of panel 6. Now caption it. Let's see what I will delete it, and I will place the edit block and memo in this form in this panel, and I right click and use add control and select it. They did we will send the text and the data of blockchain data from this block. So after I press enter key or return key, it will send the data of our blockchain in the last record to add another people in the blockchain network. So before that, we should be add a control like a tethering manager. So we find by tethering manager and place it on the form anyway. You can place it anyway. The tethering manager will allow the adapter to discover and connect to other application via network. It's default, but we can change it for more. Right, V6 network that V6 is about IP address number version 6 and IP address version 4. Now network is a default. Default is the network of IP address, and we also tested our application via Bluetooth. But in this project, I will try a network adapter to connect to through network only. And enable it should be true too. The next control that I will place on the form is a tethering adapter. So I tethering adapter here. Adapter profile of tethering that tell us about the application profile type is the default. So all application that profile type the same text will connect automatically after we call the other connects, even in a function in the tethering manager. So the group in the network may have many groups. So this picture project I will create a string group is the Delphi that identify to join the group by tethering application profile. So and then specific manager. So I choose the tethering manager 1. That it is finished for set up the network for blockchain networks. So the next thing to do is send and receive the data. The data is blockchain data over network, and to send to a specification people in the network or all people in the network, and let they file the hash or mining. Then proof of the hash key in the PO proof of work procedure. The next thing that you can do is place a memo here. So I type T memo here and select G memo. And I align to the right side. Click it, right click and click edit and align right. Now the memo is here. Now, EDT one name. I will change the name of EDT. Describe this EDT description, and delete it from text properties now. And memo, I will delete the property for default memo, right? And okay. Now it's ready to write code. In the EDT description, I will try. I will coding for on key press. Is it right? Yes. On key press, if you check for the tethering manager first. So here, tethering manager enable equal to 4. If it not connect, we choose the tethering manager auto connect. Yes. Now time to check the key press for return key or press enter. If key equal to sharp 30, that means the return begin end. So you send the message here. If EDT description the text not equal space begin end application tethering profile send string. This is the exactly code that to send the string over the network is use application profile to send string. Send string need 3 parameters. The first one is tethering profile info, not the target machine or the target application to receive our message. So I coding right tethering manager one denote profile. So I send to the first remote profile. No, this is the remove profile. The first, and this is the first parameter. And then the description string. So it is the EDT description, the text. And the most important of the data is here for so we choose make our message into the block data. So I will go in my try or control G, try, and finally. So my block data should be G block create and data, my block data. So we should have a class for T block. And now I will create my the class for T blocks. Top and type T blocks is the class. T block have a now I do my class that the private function get data, get hash, get IDX, and one constructor function. I just hit Control C. So on create F IDX equal to IDX. Yeah. Insert. Go to data. Insert. Insert. D. Yeah. Beautiful. So should be column 2. Now with data is what is data? Data belong to the username and phone and EDT description text. That's data. So the first the next thing to do is the username. It should be EDT username the text. And place username the text here. Default username is hub. So there's label here. Add label. Caption for those should be username. And is here. Caption. And now EDT same as I did that. Content should be now. Now block is here. Block. My block. But my block should be converted to JSON. So JSON dot. Okay, it's now complete. So I press Ctrl F9. Yes, it is. So I try to run it by press F9. How is run my application using easy blockchain and username is hard to find and data. I will send data here. And before that, I choose reload my ECDAT, and send the data. The data before I send data, it should be other machine running here. My blockchain. Listen. Before send the data, auto connects and okay. The auto connect should be check creating the form creation. Yes, should be here. Okay, run again. Run again and run in the other application like my EE and I have another program. I'm now try to set that off. Select. Press enter. It's okay. Now it's not ever. But on other hand, should be receive feature in that's right. Okay. Try to compile by Control F9. Okay, successful compile. You can see the successful compile here. So try to run it. Load the incident and A4 order number and press enter. But before press enter should be run another instance of application here and then load it because we should connect to this receiver. Press enter. Yes, it sent successfully because after send successfully we clear this box and see here the hug receiver receive from hug Delphi that message is a pay order number. Then it's insert into oh where is it? Yes, it's here. It's here. It insert into the local box, right? Hug Delphi and pay for order number 9898, and the hash number is here. And the complete application for send the block data over blockchain network. Thank you for watching.